to learn how to do parkour and do this on my own.
Now how to learn parkour. No, I was sitting on it. I wouldn't put my feet over though. Rico, do not put your feet over the edge. Do not put your feet over the edge. Oh my god! Do not even.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Give me a fucking heart attack. I feel like a superhero.
Oh, that was a really cool one.
This is so fucking
You can't see all of them at the same time on my phone. Rico. Now my phone has to refocus.
What in the world is going on?
He has both have droids.
Excuse me?
Get your own phone and we'll.
Yes, the fuck?
I have a droid.
Take a video for me, okay?
Will you take a video for?
So cool! I like this roof. I love it.
It looks so pretty. This is cool. Thank you, Skyla. Oh, yeah. Look over there, Heavenly. Did you see the pork one?
Yeah, Rita's taking.
I want to go back and get my.
We're on the roof looking at the fireworks. This is amazing.
That's where
The big one.
Oh my god, you can see everything. The whole big world.
That's what I thought. The word like the front water.
Oh my god.
Instagram.
Oh my god. You can see them on a regular camera.
I was gonna say, I think my regular camera will be better.
We're on the roof.
We're on the roof. That's so fucking dumb.
Oh my god,
Did you see
this
that
is so
lightning?
cool.
We should all take a group picture with them.
Let's.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god.